Alright, I ordered this from Midway USA. It should be a Mesa Tactical rail. It's a longer rail for my magazine clamp that I got from them for my 930 SPX. I think it comes with a 2-inch, and that was just not going to be long enough because I want to put my want to mount my flashlight on it and put a forward sling mount on that rail. So I got the 3.5 inch. They make a 5.5, I think, also, and so I'm gonna try this and see how it works. Hopefully I'll be able to get both flashlight and see if it'll pull open. No, it will not. I think that'll work. So yes, it is Mesa Tactical adapter mount Picatinny rail. So here, it's like a 3.5 inch versus the 2 that came with it. That's it. I'll get that mounted.